This is Anderson from CS Car. Today I will introduce the product of Bentley Bentayga modified w12 limited style kits. As we all know, the Bentayga is a supercar. So let's see what look like after the modification. First, please load the car. This is the front bumper air vents, and this is the carbon fiber front lips. And the carbon fiber Fender air vents. The carbon fiber mirror covers. And the carbon fiber rear lips. The last is the carbon fiber rear wing. You can see that the external bit and fits are very perfect. There won't be gaps, which proves our quality are very nice. I believe you will have good choice to choose our products. Finally, if you like the video, you can give me a like and please contact me. Have a nice day. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.